Do you want to plan your content effectively? Let me introduce you to the 411 rule for social media, which can help anyone grow their online presence while promoting their business. Here how it works. For every 6 posts you share, follow this plan. Number 1. 4 posts for entertainment or educational related. Share memes, tutorials, inspiring stories, or shocking news. Anything high value that will engage and grow your audience. Number 2. 1 soft sell post. Promote your product or service, subtly like a behind the scene. Look at your business where you're offering, are featured in the background. Number 3. 1 hard sell post. Directly promote your product or service, aiming for a clear call to action. Think like a traditional ad style. Following these 411 rules ensure a balanced mix of valuable content and promotional posts, driving long-term growth and engagement for sure.